Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. My summer Walmart beauty box is here. So in today's video, we're going to open it up and see what's inside. If you're new to my channel or have never seen or heard of a Walmart beauty box, this is honestly the best and my favorite subscription box. It's seasonal. It's under $10, so it's super affordable. Yes, you get a lot of samples, but I personally really love getting samples because I use them up quicker as opposed to a full-size product. I also get a lot of samples that I will always use, like deodorant, creams, and body wash. Let's open her up. So this is everything in this season's box, and it's looking pretty good. First up, we have this Sun Balm Premium Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 30. See, like, this to me is perfect because I, one, don't use a high SPF. I like to use like 15 because I like to tan and I don't really burn. But in my opinion, this size is perfect because it's gonna last me the summer, and then that's it. It will probably last me a little longer than the summer, to be honest. And I've also never tried Sun Balm, so again, this is a great box because I get products I've never tried before. Next up, we have the EOS Shea Butter Cashmere Body Wash in the scent Vanilla Cashmere. This is another product I have never tried. This sounds like it's going to smell amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm running out of another sample body wash that I was using, so I'm going to use this next before I use the full-size one that I just purchased. I didn't know I was getting this. The third product I got is this anti-chafe whole body deodorant from Dove in the scent Coconut and Vanilla. I had no idea that Dove did the whole body deodorant thing. I also wish I got this before I went to the weekend concert because I couldn't find my anti-chafe stick. But this also sounds like it's gonna smell good. It does. It smells like summer. So I was really nervous about the Dove product we were getting in this box because my friend got the aluminum-free coconut and jasmine deodorant, and I don't like those because they don't work on me. So I'm very excited that I got this, and I have to tell her. Next up, we got this little sample of a Monday Deep Moisture hair mask with keratin in it, and this is good for dry to damaged hair. I'm so excited to use this sample because my hair has been double processed by me. We're not going to talk about that, but I need to do a hair mask and I have not done one, so this is perfect. And last, we got seamless nylon hair bands from the brand Gimme. I've been really liking hair ties like this, and this one's really nice because it gives you 2 for fine hair, 2 for medium hair, and then 1 big one for thick hair. This is 5 premium hair bands. They're gentle on your hair and wrists, holds up to 80 pounds of pressure, which is crazy, made from 30% recycled materials. It's not going to give you dents or hair breakage, and you can refresh these with warm water. That's cool. And it has a seamless nylon premium blend. So on the back, it also gives you more info. So these top 2 are for fine, brittle, or color treated hair, which is perfect for me. Then the medium is for most hair types, and then this bottom one is for thick, heavy, curly, or textured hair. I think this will be good for like my buns and stuff. The one thing I don't really love about them is this little G logo, but it's fine, it's whatever. So that is it for my summer Walmart beauty box. This was definitely way better than the spring box. The spring box was a little bit of a disappointment. I'm very excited for the Dove whole body deodorant and the EOS Shea Butter Cashmere body wash. Let me know if you got Walmart beauty box and if we got some of the same things or anything different, or tell me in the comments down below what you thought of the box. And that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.